Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about distance formula with example. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And finally, please do not skip the ads in this video. Thanks. And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about distance formula. The distance formula is a formula for computing the distance between two points in a coordinate plane. Just like in the Pythagorean theorem, the sum of the square of the two legs of the triangle is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. This is only for right triangles. So, yung addition daw ng squares ng dalawang legs, which is a squared plus b squared, is equal to the square root of the hypotenuse. So this is a Cartesian plane, and let's say that we have point or coordinates x y, x sub 1 and y sub 1, and we have another coordinates which is x sub 2 and y sub 2, and we connect these points, so that's the distance. Okay, and then we have this. We can create a triangle using this line by doing this this figure. Okay, so the distance between here to the y-axis going to this one, actually this is the slope. Okay, the slope of the line, so going to this slope is x sub 2. Okay, and the distance, okay, uh, starting to y-axis going to the point of the first coordinates is the x sub 1. Well, and that's equal to x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, para makuha ito, ang gagawin mo is, ima-minus mo itong long horizontal line to the to this short horizontal line. On the other hand, we have this line for that touches x-axis, which is actually a vertical line up to the this point of the second coordinates, which is y sub 2, and on the other hand we have this shorter line, which is y sub 1, and to get the measurement of this line, or yeah, line of the slope, so we have this y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Okay, now, all right, um, using the Pythagorean theorem, okay, which is the hypotenuse, and c squared is equal to d. Okay, so, or d squared, and it is equal to a, and this a is equal to x squared minus x sub 2, I mean, minus x sub 1 squared, while for the b, we have y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Maybe you're asking, saan ko kinuha yung squared? Meron ko kasing squared yung mga yan, okay? So we just substitute uh, the this d to c, okay? This a to x sub 2 minus x sub 1, and this b to y sub 2 minus y sub 1. So we have this distance formula, and to get the distance, we need to square both sides. So in short, the formula for the distance formula given the 2 points is d equals the square root of quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Now example, let's say that we have points 3, 1 and 2, 4. So using the distance formula, let's say that x sub 1 is equal to 3, y sub 1 is equal to 1, x sub 2 is equal to 2, and y sub 2 is equal to 4. So using the distance formula, so we need to substitute the given to the formula. So we have x sub 2, which is 2, then minus x sub 1, which is 3, then squared, plus, okay, open parenthesis, y sub 2, which is 4, then minus y sub 1, which is 1, and then get the squared. Then 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 1, and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, right? And then get the squared. What is negative 1 squared? That's 1. And then plus 3 squared is 9. Then square root of 10. Therefore, the distance dun sa points na given na yon is equal to d, or d is equal to square root of 10. So that's all about distance formula with example. With that, thank you very much for listening.